whatever is the operations team or something, they have some configurations. If they're using Microsoft, uh, if they're using Microsoft mailbox only, they have an Azure configuration where this Dell Boomi application should be added as a trusted application, so that because Boomi is trying to access one of the mail data, right? So it should be, and there is some secret ID. Okay, for this it is okay, but if you there are two mail connectors. Okay, now that since we have already started, I will explain this also. So there are two mail connectors. One is a basic mail connector, and this is an advanced mail connector.
IMAP.
They call it as IMAP.
IMAP. Okay. So most frequently we use that old one or this one?
See, that is again business data. If you want to send multiple attachments very frequently or at least once, you cannot use a mail connector. You can send a maximum of only one attachment. But if the business demands that you send multiple attachments, multiple log files, then you use an IMAP connector.
Okay. Yeah. If we have just a single attachment, so
Single
then
attachment, basic thing, you will not
basic,
get anything. Yeah,
that basic mail connector we need to use in that case.
correct. If you see here, this may all the details like input documents, output documents, all those server details here, and there is some other operation of what should I say? There is one more data of setting up the token IDs also. You have to do all those details for reading data from mailbox. Reading data, that is altogether very different. It is a bit complicated. You rarely use it until the business needs it. Okay, for us also we used only once.
Send.
Yeah, only once we need for reading from the mailbox. Do you do that? You never came across that.
No.
Okay. So usually for us, a mail connector is sufficient. But if your application or your computer or your company demands that you send frequent multiple attachments, then it's better that you have a mail connector, IMAP connector. So it is always better to use an IMAP because it is an advanced version, and in the future also, if you need an upgrade, you don't need to change the data again, or you don't need to take an additional connector. So it is always better to use this. Okay.
Now please get send.
You're saying something? Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, Pramod, this is Sai Krishna.
Yeah, hi, Sai Krishna.
Is this paid or free sessions now?
Check with Navya on that. No, this is usually everywhere. So you're saying you're paying or I'm getting paid?
Okay, but I didn't connect anyone. I didn't pay anything, but I'm getting mails regarding.
I'm not sure about this, Sai Krishna.
Whom I need to connect?
Can you talk to Navya?
I don't know Navya also.
I'll give you a number. Talk to her.
Okay.
She's from 888-544.
1 minute. 888
544
544
8788.
8788. Pramod, sorry for interrupt. Uh, Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Only training and assistant say also job assistance also.
You want job assistance?
Hello. Hi, Krishna.
Yeah,
Yeah, we will call you. Okay. Session is going on. We will give you a call.
okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. Sakshi, where are we now?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. So where are we?
Gate operation we check now.
Yeah. So till this part, are you clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So now, if you want to send, till now we have talked about only retrieving data only, right? It's only from retrieving data from the mailbox server, so we can do that using a get operation. But here the objective is sending emails, right? So in 99% of the cases, we will only send emails. Hello? Hello? Can you hear me, Sakshi? Okay. So now we can, okay. Now here, if we want to send an email, we have to select the send operation, send action here. And if you want to set, now the next thing is you have to create an operation. For creating an operation, you have to create on the plus, you have to press on the plus symbol. It's very similar to the connection details. And you see some application operation related data that needs to be configured, like from object, from address to address, subject, disposition, attachment, content, and all these types. Okay. Body is usually set as a document property that I have shown you. The from address and to address and the subject. These details are configurable and we usually send it as extensions only. Since this data changes from extension from one environment to other environment. So we configure them as extensions. For that reason, what we usually do is we can leave them blank here. Okay. And then we configure them as set properties. Hello?
Okay.
Yeah. So we configure them as set properties. See, then from address will, so we can leave them blank as I told. So after that we click, now we have configured the application only. But see, so this is connected, but nowhere we have set up the from address to address and all, right? So for that, every connector has a properties associated with that, okay, which are visible in the set properties. Document property connector, mail. If you see here, the from address to address, the file name, subject, body, everything is here only. So if you want to do the from address, okay, mail from address, here you can set the values. You can either use a static value if you want to put, but usually we store all these extension values in DPPs or CRTs, but for now we will put it as the static value only.
So here we need to type that body, which we send in the.
Yes, everything we need to do here only. If you do mole connector, if you do body, you click on body. Okay.
Here we need to type.
Here only we have to put that. This is a